Welcome to the Omni CMS video tutorial on the image editor. The image editor allows you to perform actions on an image, such as resize, crop, and rotate. First, browse to the uploaded image. Select More Actions in the row of the image, then Edit and Image. Alternatively, you can click on the image name to open the image editor. After clicking on the image, it will appear in the Edit Image window. The left menu will present you with tools to use when editing the image. Currently, this image is too large for us to use on the web and will need resized. Expand the Resize dropdown in the Tools menu. To resize the image, type the new width or height. Notice when one dimension is changed, the other is automatically updated. This is because the Preserve Ratio option is checked. This is preferred, as this prevents your image from becoming distorted. After entering the new dimensions, click the Resize button. To crop an image, expand the Crop dropdown in the Tools menu. Select an aspect ratio for your crop box, or leave it at custom to control the width and height manually. Check the Swap Width and Height option when using an aspect ratio to swap the X and Y values. To select the crop area, drag the handles. Notice that the cropped size is displayed and automatically updates. Once you have the desired crop dimensions, click the Apply Crop button. To rotate an image, click Rotate in the Tools menu. Each click will rotate the image 90 degrees clockwise. For various reasons, we do not recommend using the zoom feature. And lastly, the undo feature will undo the last change you made. After you save an image, you cannot undo changes made before saving. After making changes to the image, click Save. Alternatively, use the Save As button to save a new version of the image. Enter the name to save the image as, and click Save. If you have any questions or need further assistance, contact the ITS Service Desk at 270-745-7000 or visit the wku.edu/its/contact website. For examples, best practices, and other helpful information, visit wku.edu/omni-cms.